Hey guys, welcome back to Excel Basis. So today's topic is basics of formula in Excel. So let's get started. So let's say this is your data and you want to add or subtract or multiply this data. And what you will do is you will just sum up this. So 100 write total over here and difference over here. Okay, so what you will do is 10 plus 20, 30 plus 100 is 130. Okay, and how much is 10 plus 20? 100 plus 2, 100 plus 20 minus 10. So that gives you 110. Okay, so now all of a sudden, let's say the depreciation value has decreased to 30. So now this total remains the same. So now you will have to do this total or write this total again. So in order to remove that, we will use formula. So what formula we will be using is this plus this plus this. And how do I refer to this? This is C and this is 4. So C4 is the reference to this cell. C3 is the reference to this cell and C5 is the reference to this cell. So the basic way to write formula, there are different ways to write it, actually to refer it. So in order to write any formula, first thing you need to do is type equal to. So I have type equal to what? C3. So I will type C3 plus what? C4. Okay, this is C4 plus what? C5, this is C5. Okay, so C5 and then enter. So if you see, the value is 140. Okay, similarly if you want to subtract, then you will do what you will do is C2. C2 is January, so you will have to write C3 plus C4 minus C5. That will give you 120. We are just uh, subtracting the rent. Okay, so that was one way. Another way to do is just selecting those cells. So previously I had typed C3, so now I will type. So let's say in this case it is D3 plus which cell? D4 plus which cell? D5. Okay, so in this way I got this number. So now even in case you change this number will automatically get reflected as per the formula. So you don't need to worry about the data also. Now let's say you have the one way was to write it manually, another way was to just type in those formula. Okay, now the third way is basically like you type equal to and then you want the sum of all this data. Okay, so what you will do is you will select this cell, then just scroll it over. Okay, and this, sorry, so now let's say if you want to get some of this data, what you need to do is you need to type equal to sum of this data. Okay, so if you notice E3 to E5, what is E3 to E5? E3 to E5 indicates that it will sum up all the cells from E3 to E5. Okay, enter. So that's the value over here. So similarly, if I want to sum up all this with the arrow keys, I can just select this with the arrow keys, then this tab, then again this tab, and then press enter. We can reuse the same tab again and again. So let's say if I want to add this tab. Okay, so I will type equal to this tab plus again the same tab, then 2, it will give you the right value. Okay, so this were the difference and this is the sum of all these values. So now let's say I want sum of all these values. So what I need to do is equal to this, then this, then this, then this. So instead of doing that, I can just type sum of all of these values. Okay, so what this will give me is the sum of all of these values. Similarly, if you want to get the average, okay, if in case there is in the drop down, if you get any of the value, just press tab, or else the value might change. Okay, average of these values. Okay, enter. So this will give you the average. Okay, now these are the different ways wherein you can always write different formulas. If you see this formula tab over here, you can there are a lot of different formulas. So we will go into these details when we cover the advanced version of the formulas. However, if you see over here, we have this auto sum over here. So what does this auto sum does? It will just create a formula for you. Enter. Again, if you want auto sum over here, click on it and it will directly create a formula for you. So these are the different ways wherein you can type formulas and create formulas as per your requirement. So if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. Thank you.